Look what Target finally got. Simpsons dolls.
Ay, caramba.
Alright, let's review Homer Simpson. He has a super fun little shirt with a little collar. He has his baldness, his mouth thing. He has goofy frog hands. He has some pretty funny and soft pants and some shoes that can help make him stand. Stand up, buddy! Woohoo! He also has tiny itty bitty ears.
Beer belly.
Ay, caramba.
Now let's review Bart. So he has 68 spikes on his head. He has also tiny ears. He has a pretty funny mouth, baby hands, another shirt, some
Eat my shorts.
and some shoes.
Cowabunga. Whee!
So this is the height comparison to Bart and Homer and to a donut. I made them super cool superpowers. Homer super ability.
Belly ball. I always come back.
Bart super ability.
Heat-seeking Bart. Hey, Homer, what is it, boy? Combustible lemons.
Ah, don't. Ah!